Creating a portfolio website in Google Sites is a straightforward process, allowing you to showcase your work, skills, and projects in an easy-to-navigate format. Here's a step-by-step guide to building your portfolio using Google Sites. Access Google Sites. Sign in. Visit sites.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Create new site. Click on the blank template to start from scratch or choose a pre-designed template suited for portfolios. Design and layout. Choose a theme. Select a theme or create a custom design for your portfolio by customizing colors, fonts, and styles. Page structure. Add pages for different sections such as About Me, Projects, Resume, and Contact. You can create multiple pages for a more organized layout. Add content. Sections. Use sections to break up content into visually appealing blocks. For example, About Me. Share your background, skills, and professional experience. Projects. Showcase specific work or projects with images, descriptions, and links. Resume. Upload your resume and link it for easy access. Contact. Include contact information such as email, phone number, and social media links. Insert media. Images. Add high-quality images of your work, including screenshots, project visuals, or portfolio graphics. Videos. Embed videos from YouTube or upload directly into Google Drive to display visual content. Files. Upload documents like PDFs, Word files, or presentations for downloads. Customize navigation. Menu. Customize the navigation menu to easily access different sections of your portfolio website. Links. Link external resources like social media profiles, other websites, or blog posts. Publish and share. Preview. Preview your website before publishing to ensure everything is perfect. Publish. Click the Publish button to make your portfolio live. You can choose a custom domain or use the default Google Sites URL.